Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best petroleum and coal companies using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we're going to select small businesses, and we are going to set our location to Detroit today. Um, and we're just going to increase the radius as I find natural commodities tend to be on the outskirts of cities. So I'm just going to add that. Next, to lock that in, we're going to look for petroleum. We're going to add this search term, as you can see here. And then we're also going to add coal as a second search term. As you can see here. And then we're going to next lock that in, and we want to select owners and founders and directors and executives. Just in case your owner has a C-suite title, it will account for that case. So next, and with these sort of natural commodities, I like to do more sales filters. So the first one I like to do is revenue. I'm gonna do at least 500K, as I feel like that's like the bare minimum for what a natural resource company should be bringing in revenue. Probably a lot more, but if you filter it from 500K, you're not gonna get other companies might slip into the search terms, and this will definitely just like get rid of any unserious inquiries. So I'm gonna hit next. We're going to add another filter, and we're going to do date established. And I'm just going to set this to like 2010, just to make sure that we don't have any companies founded after 2010, as they would have no presence in the industry. With these natural research companies, they've been established for, decades. So this is just like a good filter to make sure that you're getting quality leads. And I'm going to go to my deliver section, and I'm just going to reset all of these. And phone number is important. Google review count, score, and all these like marketing metrics, they can be important for making the sale, but they're not as important as like revenue and head count and data established for these kind of companies, as these kind of companies don't really need great marketing, as people just kind of need their products regardless. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in, finish with that. Make sure to give your task a title. Make sure to set the context required, and make sure to save a draft. I'm going to do this here. So basically, if you want to change something, you're not starting from scratch. You have your whole draft saved and ready to go. I'm going to launch this, and as you can see, we're back out in our task overview. Our task is allocating, which means that your lead sheet should be in your hands within 24 hours. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And this is how you find the best petroleum and coal companies using Coldlytics. Have a great day.